Yo, what's up and welcome to my channel. My name is Isaac, and like I said, I'll be giving you lots of things. Normally, I like starting with something catchy, something new, and I've been learning another song today. It's called Umpo Koloko. For those of you who watched Coco, yeah, it's a funny song. I've been, how fun it is for me to be learning Mexico, and I'm using Mexican. I think that's the language. Yeah, Mexican. I think those are the guys who speak Spanish and whatsoever. So to cut the long story short, I've told you I've been learning several things through music and all that. So there is this song in Coco. It's called Un Poco Loco. I'll try to sing it. Don't laugh at me before I even start the session today. So it goes like, what color is the sky, Ramiamo, Ramiamo? You tell me it is red, Ramiamo, Ramiamo. Where should I put my shoes, Ramiamo, Ramiamo? You say put them on your head, Ramiamo, Ramiamo. You make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco, the way you make me guessing, I'm guessing and I'm guessing that you know what I say. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm still working on my voice and I'm sure you guys are going to give me vocal classes. So yeah,